Ever wondered about the harm chemical cleaners might be doing to your family and pets? It's a question that's more relevant than ever in our modern cleanliness-focused society. As we strive for spotless homes, we often overlook the potential harm that can arise from the chemical cleaners we use daily. These cleaners, while effective, are often loaded with substances that can affect not just our health, but the well-being of our beloved pets, and even the environment. Many common ingredients found in household cleaners, such as ammonia, bleach, and formaldehyde, are known to be toxic. These substances can cause a range of health issues, from skin and eye irritation to more severe problems like respiratory difficulties and hormonal imbalance. And it's not just our immediate surroundings that suffer. These chemicals, once rinsed away, can contaminate our waterways, contributing to environmental pollution. But there is a safer, eco-friendly alternative: DIY natural household cleaners. The process of making your own natural cleaners is simpler than you might think. At the heart of most DIY natural cleaners are three main ingredients: vinegar, baking soda, and essential oils. Each one brings its own unique cleaning properties to the table, and when combined, they form a powerful and eco-friendly cleaning solution. Let's start with vinegar. This common kitchen ingredient is a natural disinfectant, capable of killing most bacteria, germs, and molds. Its high acidity helps break down grime, dirt, and soap scum, making it an excellent choice for a variety of cleaning tasks. Next up is baking soda. Most of us know baking soda as a deodorizer, but its uses extend far beyond that. It's a mild abrasive, which makes it great for scrubbing away stubborn stains. It also reacts with vinegar, creating a fizzing action that can help lift dirt and grime. Last but certainly not least, we have essential oils. Not only do these add a pleasant fragrance to your DIY cleaners, but many also have antimicrobial properties. For instance, tea tree oil is known for its powerful antifungal and antibacterial properties, while lemon oil is a natural disinfectant and leaves a refreshing citrus scent. Now, you might be wondering, how can these three simple ingredients replace the myriad of chemical cleaners in your home? Well, the beauty of these natural cleaners lies in their versatility. You can adjust the ratios and mix them in different ways to tackle different cleaning tasks. For example, a mixture of vinegar and water can make a great window cleaner, while a paste of baking soda and a bit of water can be used to scrub your kitchen sink. The best part is that these ingredients are not only effective, but also safe for your family and pets. Unlike many commercial cleaners, they don't contain harsh chemicals that can cause skin irritation or respiratory issues. With these ingredients, you can create a variety of cleaners for different purposes. So why not give it a try and start making your own natural cleaners today? Let's start with a simple all-purpose cleaner. This versatile concoction is perfect for cleaning a multitude of surfaces around your home, from kitchen countertops to bathroom tiles, and even your computer keyboard. So let's get started. First things first, gather your ingredients. You'll need distilled white vinegar, water, and essential oils for fragrance. For this demonstration, we'll be using lavender, but feel free to experiment with your favorite scents. Begin by filling half of a 16-ounce spray bottle with distilled white vinegar. Vinegar is a natural disinfectant, capable of killing most bacteria, viruses, and molds. Now, fill the rest of the bottle with water. Water acts as a diluent, making the vinegar less acidic and therefore gentler on surfaces. Now it's time to add our fragrance. Drop in about 20 to 30 drops of your chosen essential oil. Aside from providing a pleasant aroma, many essential oils also have antimicrobial properties, boosting the cleaning power of our DIY cleaner. Once all the ingredients are in, secure the lid and give the bottle a good shake. This ensures that all the ingredients are well mixed and ready to tackle any grime or dirt. Finally, before you start spraying away, here are a few tips on how to use your homemade cleaner effectively. Always shake the bottle before use to keep the ingredients well mixed. Spray directly onto the surface and wipe clean with a soft cloth or sponge. For tougher stains, let the solution sit for a few minutes before wiping. Remember, while this cleaner is safer than many commercial products, it's still a good idea to test it on a small hidden area first. This is especially important for surfaces like wood or certain types of stone, which can react negatively to acidic cleaners. And there you have it, an all-purpose cleaner that's safe for your family and pets. Not only is it easy to make and effective, but it also comes with the added satisfaction of knowing exactly what's in it. So, the next time you reach for a cleaner, why not make it yourself? Now, onto some specialty cleaners for specific cleaning tasks. First up, let's whip up a DIY bathroom cleaner. You'll need 1/2 cup of white vinegar, 1/2 cup of rubbing alcohol, 1 cup of water, and 10 drops each of tea tree and lavender essential oil. Mix these all together in a spray bottle and voila, you have a powerful, fresh-smelling cleaner that is perfect for tiles, showers, and sinks. Next, let's move on to a DIY glass cleaner. For this, you'll need 1 cup of distilled water, 1 cup of white vinegar, and 10 drops of your favorite essential oil. Simply combine these in a spray bottle, give it a good shake, and you're all set. This mix will leave your windows and mirrors sparkling clean. Finally, for those tough carpet stains, here's a DIY carpet cleaner recipe. You'll need 2 cups of warm water, 1 tablespoon of white vinegar, 1 tablespoon of dish soap, and 5 drops of essential oil. Mix them in a large spray bottle and remember to always spot test on an inconspicuous area first to make sure it's safe for your carpet. For each of these cleaners, the process is simple. Pour all the ingredients into your spray bottle, tighten the lid, and give it a good shake to mix everything together. Easy as pie. When using these cleaners, always remember to shake the bottle before each use to ensure the ingredients are well combined. Spray directly onto the surface you're cleaning and wipe clean with a cloth or sponge. For the carpet cleaner, spray the solution onto the stain. Let it sit for a few minutes, then blot with a clean, dry cloth. Remember, these DIY cleaners are not only effective and easy to make, but they're also safer for your family and the environment. Plus, you can customize the scents with your favorite essential oils, making cleaning a more enjoyable task. These specialized cleaners will tackle your toughest cleaning jobs without the harsh chemicals. So, why should you opt for DIY natural cleaners? Well, let's recap the benefits we've talked about today. Firstly, safety. DIY natural cleaners are safe for both your family and pets. Unlike commercial cleaners, which are often laden with harsh chemicals, these DIY alternatives are made from natural, non-toxic ingredients. You can rest easy knowing that your loved ones aren't being exposed to harmful substances. Plus, if you have little ones who like to help with cleaning, these homemade solutions are a safer bet. Next, let's talk about the environment. By making your own cleaners, you're reducing the amount of plastic waste you produce, since you can reuse the same containers over and over again. Plus, you're also not contributing to the release of harmful chemicals into our waterways and atmosphere, which is a win for Mother Earth. Now let's not forget about the cost-effectiveness of DIY natural cleaners. Often, the ingredients you need are already in your kitchen pantry. Think about it. Vinegar, baking soda, lemon, these are all budget-friendly items that you likely have on hand. So why not put them to good use and save some money in the process? And remember, creating these cleaners is a breeze. We've walked through the step-by-step process together. You've seen how simple it is to mix up an all-purpose cleaner and how you can easily tweak that base recipe to create specialty cleaners for different surfaces in your home. It's a fun and rewarding process that even the kids can get involved in. In short, DIY natural cleaners offer a safe, eco-friendly, cost-effective solution to keeping your home sparkling clean. They're easy to make and they do a fantastic job. Plus, you get the satisfaction of knowing exactly what's in the products you're using. With DIY natural cleaners, you can clean your home safely and effectively without harming your loved ones or the environment. Now that's a cleaning routine you can feel good about. Cleaning shouldn't have to be a hazardous task. And guess what? It doesn't have to be. We've walked through the steps, seen the benefits, and now it's your turn. Imagine the satisfaction of creating your very own natural cleaners, not just safe for you and your family, but also your pets. You've seen how simple it can be, how just a few common household ingredients can transform your cleaning routine into a safer, healthier practice. But don't stop there. There's a whole world of DIY natural cleaner recipes out there, waiting for you to explore. So roll up your sleeves and give it a whirl. Try out different recipes, mix and match, find what works best for your home. And when you do, share your experiences. We'd love to hear your stories, the successes and the learning moments. Remember, a cleaner home doesn't have to mean a toxic home. Thanks for watching and happy cleaning.